Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. So today in this video I am going to teach you the conjugations of verb pouvoir and devoir. Okay, so they both are irregular IR verbs and also important verbs in French, as they are very common and very useful verb in French. So here we will learn it in present tense, okay, that how it will conjugate in present tense. So they both are conjugated according to a similar pattern. So start with a verb pouvoir, okay. So the verb pouvoir means to can or to be able to, okay, to can or to be able to, like I can do it, okay, you can run. So whatever regarding to the run, can, okay. So pouvoir verb means to can or to be able to. Alright. So now we learn the conjugation of pouvoir verb. Okay. So these all are the subject pronoun, as you all know. Subject pronoun je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, and these all are the conjugation of verb pouvoir. Okay. And these are the conjugation pronunciation of conjugated verb pouvoir. Okay. These are the pronunciation in Hindi, and these are the meaning of this verb in English. Okay. So now we start from je. So with je we use pa. Okay. Je pa. Pouvoir verb conjugated like this, pa, P-E-U-X, but we do not pronounce X. Okay. The pronunciation is pa, which is this, pa. Okay. Je peux, I can. Je peux, okay, I can. Now second, tu. Tu peux, okay, it also has same pronunciation, per, and it also has same pronunciation, per. But there is a difference between X and T, okay. So we do not pronounce X and T in the end, and we just pronounce only per, okay. So je peux, I can. Tu peux, you can. Okay, so here tu is used for informal way, that's why we use tu peux as an informal way. Now next is il or elle, peut, il peut, elle peut. Okay, he can, she can. Okay. Now nous pouvons, okay, nous pouvons, this pouvons, nous pouvons, which means we can, okay, nous pouvons, we can. Vous pouvez, okay, you can, vous pouvez, you can, and vous is used for formal way, formal conversation. Okay, so vous pouvez, and the last is il, elle, peuvent. We do not pronounce E and T in the end, okay, we do not pronounce this, we just speak per. Il, elle, peuvent, which means they can. So now one more time we will repeat. Je peux, tu peux, il, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il, elle peuvent. So now we will see some examples of verb pouvoir. Okay. So pouvoir plus infinitive verb. Okay. So this means we use pouvoir as a conjugated verb, pouvoir plus infinitive verb. We never use the noun after the conjugated pouvoir verb. Okay, we never use a noun, we just only use the verb which is infinitive verb. Okay, not conjugated verb, infinitive verb only. So now see some examples. Number one, tu peux lire un livre. Okay, tu peux lire un livre. So which means you can read a book. You can read a book. So here tu peux lire. So here lire is a infinitive verb. Okay, lire is not conjugated. Never conjugated, because after the verb pouvoir it will not conjugated. So tu peux lire un livre. Okay. Now number second, nous pouvons faire nos devoirs chez moi. Okay, which means we can do our homework at my place. Okay, or we can say chez moi is at my place or at my home, at my house. Okay, whatever. So nous pouvons, we can. So here pouvons is used because of nous. With nous we use pouvons. As I told previously, nous pouvons faire. So here faire is also not conjugated because after the verb pouvoir we do not conjugate any verb. We use as a infinitive, okay, as a original infinitive verb. So nous pouvons faire nos devoirs chez moi. Okay, we can do our homework at my place. Now third one is vous pouvez revenir quand vous voulez. Okay, so you can come back whenever you want. This is a voulez is a verb vouloir, which means to want. Vouloir. Okay, so vous pouvez revenir, you can come back whenever you want. Quand vous voulez. So as you can see, revenir is also not conjugate. It's original infinitive verb. Ils peuvent aller à la natation cet après-midi. Okay, ils peuvent, they can go to the swimming this afternoon. Après-midi is afternoon. So they can go to the swimming. Natation means swimming. Cet après-midi, this afternoon. So here also we do not pronounce, we do not conjugate aller verb. Okay, because of this peuvent. So ils peuvent aller à la natation cet après-midi. So now move on the next verb, which is devoir. Okay, devoir, which means to must or to have to. To must or to have to. Devoir. So now we will see this conjugation of devoir verb. So these all are the subject pronoun, okay, and these are the conjugation of verb devoir. So with je we use doit. Okay, doit, D-O-I-S, doit, and its pronunciation in Hindi also doit. So je dois, which means I must or I have. Okay, I must, or we can say I have. Tu dois, you must, you have. Tu dois, elle doit. Okay, this is difference of spelling only, but pronunciation is same, doit. Okay, so il doit, elle doit, he must or has, he must or has. Okay, nous devons, we must or we have. Vous devez, you must or you have. Ils, elles doivent. Okay, ils, elles doivent. We do not pronounce ENT and it's become doivent, and which means they must or they have. So we will repeat encore fois. Je dois, tu dois, il, elle doit, nous devons, vous devez, ils, elles doivent. Alright, so we'll see some examples of verb devoir. Okay, so here also same rule as the pouvoir verb. We use same rule, devoir plus infinitive verb. Okay, so here also we do not conjugate the second verb. That means after the verb devoir, we do not conjugate any verb. Okay, we just use these verb as an infinitive form. Okay, so see example number 1. Je dois réussir mon concours. Okay, je dois réussir mon concours, which means I must pass my competition. Okay, so réussir means succeed or pass. Okay, succeed or pass, but we do not conjugate this verb. We do not conjugate, we just write as an infinitive form. Okay, je dois, I must réussir mon concours, and we use dois because je. With je we use dois, D-O-I-S. Alright. Now number 2, vous devez écouter nos conseils. Okay, vous devez écouter nos conseils, which means you must listen to our advice. Okay, counsel means advice or suggestions. So you must listen to our advice. ठीक है. So now here also we use the way because of verb woo. With woo we conjugate the verb as the way, and we do not conjugate the second verb ikute. Okay, after the verb the way we do not conjugate any verb, we just write as an infinitive form. Okay, वो दवे ikute nos conseil. Now number third, el doa achete un cadeau pour sa mère. Okay, so she has to buy a gift for her mother. Okay, she has to buy a gift for her mother. A cadeau means gift. Okay, cadeau means gift, and achete is an infinitive form of verb, and with el we conjugate the verb as doit, D-O-I-T. Okay, elle doit acheter un cadeau pour sa mère. Now number fourth, Marc et Lauren doivent travailler ce weekend. Okay, Marc et Lauren. So Marc is a masculine, Lauren is a feminine. So we use il. Okay, we use il in the plural form. We use il in the plural form. So according to il, we conjugate the verb devoir as a doivent. Okay, D-O-I-V-E-N-T, doivent, but we do not pronounce E-N-T, so pronunciation is doivent. So Marc et Lauren doivent travailler ce weekend, and travail is the infinitive form of the verb, so which is not conjugated after the verb devoir, and this mean is they have to work this weekend. They have to work this weekend. Okay, Marc et Lauren doivent travailler ce weekend. Alright, so in a similar way you can do a lot of exercises from the Google, and yes, practice it more and more, and if you face any problem you can ask me, and please subscribe, like and share this video, share this channel more and more, and I will meet you in the next video with new topic. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home. Au revoir, merci beaucoup.